Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'll be showing you how I installed the head unit into the Gen 3 Prius from 2010 to 2015. So let's get right to it. First, pop out the shifter bezel, then disconnect out the harness. If you do, sometimes you may get a warning light. Next time you start the car, you can also doing this without disconnecting the harness and just let it hang on the side. Next, pop out the trim and the cup holder. You will have to start this from the top and move down to the cup holder. Next, pop out the left trim and the trim around the radio. Next, remove 4 10mm bolts. And the radio should pop out. Next, unplug out the harness. It might seem like I'm pulling on the wires, but I'm actually use my finger to push the tab on the bottom. Do not pull on the wires. Now for the wiring, I recommend you buy a harness kit. It is much easier to install, and if you sell the car, when you remove, you can just plug the old one back in and you don't have to cut the wiring harness. All you need to do is just matching the color of the wires. Once you're done with the wires, plug it back in and test it. Once everything is tested, you can clean up all the wires. You will also need to buy a dash kit for your new head unit. Pretty much just go left to left side, right to right side, and just bolt it down. For the parking switch, you can just use any ground. So once everything is connected, you can just test it again before you put everything back. Once everything is tested, you can now reinstall everything